In this video, I'm going to show you how to play this hymn on the organ. When we learn a new hymn, it's probably a good start to start with the bass line. So we'll start with the first phrase. The bass line has C, C, F, C. Yeah. So that's relatively straightforward. Before you start, you should put left foot on C and right foot on F. So you just need to remember left, left, right, left. And gradually I build up on the left hand. The left hand has G, G, A, G. Okay. So I will put left hand and the foot together. And now you might want to play pedal and the right hand together just to build connections between your feet and your right hand. Please watch my previous videos for the manual sections of this piece. Now if you wish to, you might also wish to just play the left and the right hand. Yeah. And lastly, we can put everything together, but when you are playing everything together, maybe slow down the pace. Yeah, so we're going to do it slowly. Here's the first phrase. Now we're going to move into the second phrase. Similarly, we'll start with the pedal note. It goes like C, E, G, C, G. Okay. So to move from E to G, you might wish to just travel from the surface of the pedal board. So play from E. You want to travel 2 notes up. So C, E, G, C, G. The left foot does not move, it just plays C. On the left hand, I will do G, G, B, G, B. Yeah. It has the same rhythm as the pedal. So now I'm going to play right hand with the pedal. And lastly, I'll put everything together. Here you go. It might take a bit of time to practice it slowly, but please do save my video. For the next phrase, similarly, we'll start from the bottom. Yeah, I will play the pedal note, which is C, F, A, D. Okay. When you travel from F to A, you still have to remember you want to travel 2 notes up. Yeah, so here's F, 2 up, A. For your left foot, you have to move 1 note above. Yeah. So I recommend you move it up immediately after you play the C. So C, while you're playing this F, you'll have to get your left foot really covered on the note D. Yeah. So you don't have to panic when the D comes. So the next one is to play the left hand. Yeah. very straightforward. So and lastly, we can add the right hand. But if you are new to read three staves, you might want to do right hand with the pedal. You can also do the left hand and the right hand together without worrying about the pedal. And lastly, we can put everything together. As usual, I would recommend the first time you put everything together, we will do it in a slower pace so you can make sure it's 100% accurate. Now we are just going to move up the speed slightly. To move another notch up. And lastly, we are going to play our fourth phrase, the last phrase. Yeah. As usual, we will do pedal left hand and then pedal right hand, left hand, right hand. And then we will put everything together. So the pedal notes goes like C, F, C, G, C. And the left hand goes G, A, G, I'm going to add the right hand with the pedal. Now right hand with left hand. And lastly, we'll put everything together, but we're going to start with a slower pace. Now we can perform the full piece.